Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to freeze top row in Excel. So for this, open your Excel sheet. Okay, so here is my table. Okay, so here is my top row. I'm going to select top row and going to in view section. Okay, so here is freeze span option. Click here. Freeze spans, freeze top row, freeze first column. You can even freeze first column. First of all, I'm going to show how to freeze top row. I'm going to click freeze top row. Okay, so now this top row has been freezed. For example, when I'm going to scrolling up it, then top row is not going to change. It is remain as it is. So by this way you can freeze top row, and if I need to freeze this column, then I'm going to freeze pans again and I'm going to freeze first column by this way. Okay, yes, now my first column and top row has been freeze. Sorry, my column has been freeze. Now top row has been removed automatically. You can freeze at least one either column and row at a time. So yes, by this way you can freeze required column and row. I hope this tutorial is very helpful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.